The main thing that makes people fail as a trader is because they're forcing it. They're trying to rush the process. They're trying to make $1,000 in a day, $1,000 in a trade. It looks similar to like the trade I took yesterday, but it ain't over till it's over. You can learn from a course the concepts and systems, but guess what? That shit's not gonna actually teach you how to use it real time. You learn how to use it real time from actually using it. Time management is key. Routine, the processes that you do every day are the reason that you are where you are. Pain is something that is necessary. If you're trying to become a successful man, woman, pain is required. Pain is gonna teach you to appreciate everything. I can lose it all tomorrow. I can lose it all today. I only keep it from taking the daily action required. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and welcome back to another video. Today, it was CPI. We had CPI approximately an hour ago. So right now, it is 9:25. I'm about to join the VIP call. If you don't know what the VIP call is, the VIP Trading Network, we trade every day live trading. Every single day, that's what we do. And for the people that want to actually learn to get experience, because I tell people all the time, you can learn from a course the concepts and systems, but guess what? That shit's not going to actually teach you how to use it real time. You learn how to use it real time from actually using it, being in the field, taking the trades, being in the trade, exiting the trade, walking away from the trade, not over trading. Being in the field is what's going to teach you how to do all these things. So with that being said, let's get into it. With that being said, let's have a great productive day. If you woke up today, be grateful because you have the chance to change your life. I mean, at least it's not an L. Fuck it. Could have had 3 break evens. Yeah, this is my main idea. I was watching the 2 ideas, the one with that previous is high and the one with this 4-hour gap. The previous is high did not hold. So this this 4-hour gap is more than likely the trade. I'm gonna take it off of, we can just retrace a little lower. 40-point stop loss, just looking to target what is this, the 9 o'clock high? Yeah. Then after we run the 9 o'clock high, that would be it for me. But it ain't over till it's over. It ain't over till it's over. We shall see. It looks similar to like the trade I took yesterday. But we up a little bit though. We moving. But you know what that is. Once we up a little bit, we gotta do something productive. AKA push up. Oh! Well damn. Shit got bad real fast. Yeah. Well, today ended up being an L day. NAS 100 completely dropped off. US 30 completely died off, but that was as expected. I personally didn't expect NAS to die off this significantly. I thought it would get a little bit of a higher push. It is what it is. We took the one trade. That was the only trade we took. Yeah, my hair is looking crazy as always, but no haircut until we move. Wolf mode, grind mode, that's what we're doing. But you win some, you lose some. The one thing I want you guys to understand, when it comes to trading, you're not supposed to win all the time. If you won all the time, you wouldn't appreciate the wins to begin with because you would think it's easy. You would think that you deserve the win. You have to have it. You know what I mean? Versus if you know you take losses, if you know it's part of the game, it's simply understanding it's just a probability game. It's about being here long term. The main thing that makes people fail as a trader is because they're forcing it. They're trying to rush the process. They're trying to make $1,000 in a day, $1,000 in a trade, $5,000 their first week trading in their first month. It takes time to grow the skill. It takes time to make the money to be able to risk it and then actually find the setups to make the money. It takes time. Trust me, trading is not something that is an overnight success. It takes years and years and years of being there every single day to get the experience and confidence you need to be able to make the money. 1,000 a day, 1,000 in a trade. But trust me, it is all possible. Same thing you can do to make $100 is the same thing you can do to make 1,000. But let's get the rest of our day started. About to clean up and everything. About to probably go to the gym and just do what we do every day. It's just another day. Matter of fact, before I go to the gym, I was working on this one thing. So far for the day, we're up about 380. Today's one of the better days for VIP. But unfortunately, the discount for VIP is now over. Just thought I'd let you guys know. We did hit it yesterday at 250 members, so unfortunately the discount's over, but you can still get half off for the first month. Just won't be for life. But nonetheless, back to what I was saying, I was working on creating like this new routine and everything. I'm trying to like create it so like having basically like on Notion, this is where I journal all my trades and everything, but I want to have a template where it essentially has my daily routine, my daily to-dos, my daily checklist, my journal trades, everything. I want to have something that documents and tracks everything like a daily journal, and I'm just kind of trying to find a way to go about it. So honestly, it's still early. It's only about 10:20 right now. I got off the charts semi-early since it was a fast day. So I'm gonna focus on trying to edit this, get this created, because at the end of the day, productivity is key. You gotta understand that time management is key. You gotta understand that the routine, the processes that you do every day are the reason that you are where you are. What are you doing every day? Are you tracking it? Are you on a schedule? Do you have a day-by-day routine that you do every single day religiously? That is what leads to success. And having something like this that you can look at every morning and is basically structuring your entire day, entire week, entire month, so that when you wake up, you know what you got to do. You're not sitting there, I don't know what to do next. You're not sitting there bored, I don't know what work to do. You know what to do. You're just following the plan. And as long as you follow the plan, the sky's the limit. So let's get this done, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. Outside, bro, this one thing about Florida right now, this weather is ass. I'm ready for this Florida sun again, but it's hurricane season. Nothing but cloudy weather, but nonetheless, we're still gonna do what we gotta do. About to get this great workout, get our day started right. It's still early right now. I got a couple things edited. I edited a couple reels stuff to get them posted for Instagram. But besides that, I haven't really done too much. About to knock the gym out. That's one of the main things I need to do, the gym. To have a successful life, you don't need to have a crazy schedule. You just gotta do the daily action steps that are gonna make you better. Mentally, physically, financially, spiritually. This takes time. It's just doing the same thing over and over and over. It's very boring. But guess what? Sometimes a boring life is the life that you want. Those people that you think that have the Lambos, the Bugattis, the mansions, the penthouses, do you think they have a fun life? They probably have a very stressful, boring life. In reality, they just have nice things that you think that you would think makes their life more funny, but in reality, it's not true. A lot of people think that I have a nice car, my life is probably amazing. I love my life, but it's not an amazing life. It's amazing, but not amazing at the same time. I'm grateful for everything, nonetheless. But enough with the yapping. About to finish smoking this doink, and then we gonna head to the gym. Another day, nobody here, but I don't even expect no one to be here at this point. The music they got on right now in this joint is type trash. I ain't gonna hold you. Type trash, but we about to get this workout in. I decided I'm not even gonna take a shower yet. I'm just gonna slide straight here. I'll take a shower after. But yeah, we about to get straight to it. I haven't been to the gym this early in a little bit. It's only like 11 a.m. right now, so let's get straight to it. Usually the only time I go this early is the weekends, but usually the VIP sessions last a little bit longer, but when there's nothing there, you just gotta learn to walk away. Sometimes you just gotta keep the L small. That's all this is about, keeping the L small and moving on to the next. I only lost a couple $100s, but that's cool because I made 1,000 yesterday, and I withdrew 1,000. So in reality, I may be down, but I'm in drawdown on my account, but I have money coming in actually. So in reality, I'm still up in my bank account. I may be down in my trading account, but I'm not down until the account's either gone. You know what I'm saying? I still can make money, so let's get this workout. Without all the yapping, get ourselves a podcast, see what we can find today. Let's see. But this is literally what I do. I just go straight to YouTube. I was replying to stuff. I refresh, and then boom, I usually get something. I'm 34 and I have no friends. I mean, okay. That might be more of a clickbaity title, but I'll probably end up watching that, to be honest. But I just get recommended stuff just like this. Like it knows what it already knows what time it is, bro. It knows what to recommend me, but like I said, I think I'll listen to that first one. Coach Kyle, let's get to work. All right, back from the gym and everything. Had a great workout. I was listening to the podcast, and one of the main things, let me turn this light on. One of the main things that stuck out to me when I was listening to it was when he was talking about pain. Pain is something that is necessary, regardless if you're a trader, regardless what industry you're trying to go into. If you're trying to become a successful man, woman, pain is required. Pain is gonna teach you to appreciate everything. You gotta lose stuff to appreciate it. And at the end of the day, when you go to the gym, what are you doing? Stretching your muscle, putting yourself under pain. When you're waking up early, what are you doing? Putting yourself under pain. When you're making sacrifices to not go out, to not have fun, to not do certain things, you're putting yourself under pain. Pain is the one thing required to be able to grow. It's the one thing required. Little ant. Get out of here, ant. But it's necessary. You got to turn that pain into passion. And trust me, when you're going through those hard times, you got to sit there and be aware of it, because those are the times that's going to push you to get to the next level. Those are the times that you need. That's what you need to get to the next level, because if it never happened, you would never know how it felt. You would never know what you don't want to go through. You got to go through it to understand it. You got to go through the hard times to understand why you don't want it. You got to go through the hard times to realize what you got to do differently. Everything happens for a reason. It's just about what you do as a result to what happens. We can't control a lot of things, but the things that we can control are very key. So when you're putting yourself in uncomfortable situations, when you're putting yourself under pain, just remember that this is what's required. This in that exact moment is what is going to build you into the next person. So what are you going to do as a result of that? But yeah, it was a good podcast. Not gonna lie, I was really tuned in this little gym session. Not gonna lie, but about to edit some content. Got my laptop over there. About to edit this About to start editing this right here, and then I'll probably show you guys a little bit that I've been creating. Because as you guys know, I didn't show you the little thing that I was doing before I went to the gym. So let me show you that real quick. Yeah, it's only 1:20 right now. Yeah, as you can see, I was over here editing some reels and stuff. But if we come over here to the browser, this is what I got so far. So essentially, this is what all the things that I got so far when it comes to my daily to-do list. And then I have a calendar. And yesterday I made about $500 something outside of trading. I didn't put the trading chart stuff yet because a lot of this didn't update yet. This was just like what I was working on before I was done. But basically, say today is Thursday. I will come here. I will have all my stuff to do. I'll put up here how much I make today. I'll put how much I make from YouTube, how much I make from VIP, how much I make from trading, all of that. So now that's what I have so far. It's just a rough draft, but like I showed you, it's gonna take some time to build. It's not gonna happen overnight. Nothing happens by accident, bro. I'm telling you, success, nothing happens by accident. It all comes from having a plan of action. Like that plan back there, I've been following every single day. That's the plan I wrote. I don't even know how long ago, but it all started 2020. 2020, I had the main vision of fear being average. That's when I started the brand, Fear Being Average, FBA Capital. This is all. Everything is slowly falling into place, but it all just comes down to following it day by day. I can lose it all tomorrow. I can lose it all today. I only keep it from taking the daily action required to keep it. Because guess what? If I stop going to the gym, stop showing up for VIP, stop trading, stop posting YouTube videos, I lose it all. It all goes away. Just like that. I don't have anything right now to where if I were to disappear off the face of the earth, I could still consistently make money. I don't have that yet. So I got to work every day to put that in a position to make that possible. Maybe it comes with real estate. Maybe it comes with having an even bigger audience. Maybe it comes with even having a bigger YouTube channel with so many videos that even if I disappear for a month, I can still make a good amount of money from all the views. But I'm not there yet. Not there yet. And that's the key, not there yet. It wasn't possible until somebody did it. It wasn't possible for me until I did it. Everything I say I'm going to do it. So I'm about to chill for a little bit. I've been working since I woke up. It's 2:41 right now. About to relax before I go get my girl. Then I'm going to get some food because I haven't eaten today yet. So yeah, it's just a grind day. Today's just a work day doing what we do. Right now we just got to Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel. This place it has good food. Just ordered our food. About to play this game. I ain't going to record too much. They got the music. They going to copyright me. Okay. Let's see if you can get lesson 4. I got 4 twice, you got 4 once. I think she's gonna get 4 again. The goal of the game is to get as little as possible. I think she got 3. Alright, she won. I'm just trying to eat now. But yeah, good old breakfast at night. Looks like a pumpkin color.
Yo.
Team, and this is where the video is going to come to an end. Right now, me and my girlfriend, we're just out trying to get stuff for the new apartment. We're moving in, I think it's 12 days, so it's all coming up pretty fast. We're just trying to get all the stuff situated, trying to get it all in order. And right now, I'm just in the car while she went to Ross, because I ain't gonna lie, been to Ross like 200 times in the past week, and they're all like the same thing to me. So I let her go into this one by herself. And then we're going to go to a couple more stores, but I don't know what time I'm going to get home, so I want to just be able to end it all off. Make sure I tell you guys, I hope you enjoyed your day. I hope you had a productive day. And at the end of the day, if you want to learn how to trade, my day trading concepts, how I trade, how I get in and out the market, and the reason behind it all, the free trading course, free trading webinars, completely free. It'll teach you everything you need to know about the actual market and what I use. But once you're actually ready to join a team of like-minded individuals where you can actually get experience, because I tell you guys all the time, a course is cool, the information is cool, but getting experience and actually using it real time is how you're gonna learn how to be a successful day trader from experience. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.